Welcome to ArterSpace, formerly Nail Design Studio version 13. So we have a few updates. Obviously the name is new. ArterSpace is our new name. First update is the hidden navigation menu. So this was actually done a couple of updates back, but a lot of people didn't know about it. So you just need to tap that little triangle under the logo and it will bring up all the menus that you're used to seeing up at the top. Up next, by popular demand, more slots to save projects. Once you log in, you'll notice there are up to 12 empty slots, which will allow you to save more nail projects. Also, if you were having issues with your saved projects not giving you the correct drawings and everything that you did before, that bug has been fixed with this update as well. More crystal features. Yes, I know. You're like, why do we get a crystal feature update every single week? Because it's a new feature, so I'm still working out the kinks. So everything is still intact as far as what was there before. You still have your 12 crystal shapes and your colors and all of that stuff and your placement guide. However, there's a couple of things that were added that were working on desktop but didn't work for mobile. So now instead of only being able to see the editing box on desktop, you can see that on mobile. So you can rotate, you can change the opacity, you can change the size, you can even trash your crystal if you don't want it there. Of course, you can rotate, like I said, and then you can also copy and paste. So you can just hit that little copy button and then it'll make the same shape and you can drag it around like you want it. Our crystal placement feature has also been updated with new layouts and they are easier to see. You also are able to pop out your crystal placement guide just so you can keep it side by side to whatever you're working on, and then you can see how everything is going to look for you. So you just pop it out like you would an inspo picture and you can drag it all around the canvas. You also are able to expand it by tapping and dragging on the bottom right corner. You can use your pencil or your finger to do that if you're on mobile. The next crystal placement feature we have, I'm going to go ahead and add one diamond, and then I'm going to duplicate the diamond, and we're going to make a little layout so I can show you how this next feature functions. So once you have one diamond and then another one, I'm going to also add a circle crystal to the middle. And then I'm going to go up here and click select. And then I will select each crystal. It'll put a dotted purple line around each selected crystal. Once you have everything selected how you want it, go back up where you were at the select area and click group selected. Now they're grouped and you can drag them around as a group instead of one at a time. There are some minor bug fixes and feature enhancements that are also in update 13. So I know you guys are used to the suggestion box being there and you not being able to move it, but you're now able to move that all around the screen so it won't be in your way. Next, the pencil feature now defaults to gray and it is a little bit smoother so you get more of a pencil-like feel. The drawing tools panel also now has a pen feature that will keep the box open while you're actively working on it so it won't keep going away on mobile. The color picker has been fixed for mobile too. So now when you upload a photo and you want to take a color from it and you click on the color picker, it will actually choose the color correctly now. So if you tap on that little pencil icon, it is going to take whatever color that you hover over. Our uploaded rose color that I selected is now on the left ring finger because the color picker has been restored. You can see all updates and get more information about the app on orlandonailtech.com.